iOS versus Android. Battle has been going on for a really long time, and Apple and Android fanboys are always fighting each other, saying this one is better, this one is better, that one is better. But one thing is undeniable. If you leave apart the Pixel or the Nexus series, in terms of software updates, Apple devices are far ahead of their Android counterparts. Well, iOS 13 was recently announced and a lot of Apple devices will be getting it. But obviously, the older devices that have been too old will not be making the cut and will continue to remain on iOS 12. So it will be called iOS 13 for iPhones and iPadOS for the iPad lineups. So let's have a look at devices that will be getting the iOS 13. First of all, iOS 13 phones will be iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XR, iPhone X, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 6s, iPhone 6s Plus, iPhone SE, and the 7th generation iPod Touch. So it's nice to see that they are updating the iPhone 6s and 6s Plus and iPhone SE, which are considerably older. Dropped from the list this year are the iPhone 5s, iPhone 6 and the iPhone 6 Plus, and recently replaced iPod Touch 6th generation will not be getting iOS 13 as well. Now moving on to the iPadOS, it will be coming to the following iPad devices, that is the iPad Pro 12.9 inch, the 11 inch and the 10.5 inch, 9.5 inch. And then the iPad 6th generation, 5th generation, iPad mini 5th generation, iPad mini 4 and iPad Air 3rd generation and iPad Air 2. Not getting the update are the original iPad Air and the iPad mini 2, which previously had gotten the iOS 12. The Watch OS 6 will continue to run on Apple Watch Series 1, Series 2, Series 3, Series 4 models, although the company warns that not all features will be available on all the devices. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. I'll see you in my next video.